My tummy feels tight. My thoughts are racing. I feel sweaty, scared, guilty, worried. Maybe I can just leave, and they won't know it was me. Stop. Own it. Repair it. Dash. I messed up your project.
We worked on that all morning.
It was an accident. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. How can I help fix it?
I don't know.
We could rebuild the trees on your board, and I can help repaint the river.
It actually still looks kinda cool.
I still feel bad, but hiding or acting like I didn't do it would have made it worse.
When I mess up, I stop and see how I can fix it responsibly.
When I make a mistake,
Stop.
what do I do next?
Own it.
And then,
Repair it.
making mistakes doesn't make you bad. It gives you a chance to make things better.